We need to be able to compare 4-digit numbers. So which of these numbers is larger? 4,346 or 2,686? Well, when you're comparing two 4-digit numbers, the number with more thousands will always be larger. Just like when you're comparing 3-digit numbers, the number with more hundreds will be larger. So we can write a greater than symbol between our numbers. And the way to remember the difference between the greater than and less than symbols is that the crocodile always snaps at the larger number. Which is larger, 2,804 or 3,085? Well, in this number we only have 2 thousands, and in this number we have 3. So again, the crocodile snaps at the larger number. Now which of these numbers is larger? We have 3,329 and 3,266. Both numbers have 3 thousands. But then we need to look at the hundreds. Because this number has 3 hundreds rather than 2, it doesn't matter that 66 is bigger than 29. Because we say the hundreds digit is more significant than the tens or the units digit, this means that 3,329 is our larger number. Now we have 2,228 and 2,267. Both numbers have 2 thousands and 2 hundreds, but because we have 6 tens here, but only 2 over here, we know that this is our larger number. Now pause the video and see if you can write these numbers in ascending order. Remember, ascending means going from smallest to largest. Well, here we have a 3-digit number, and all of the other numbers are 4-digit numbers. So because 686 doesn't have any thousands at all, that must be our smallest number. Now we're comparing 4-digit numbers. So let's look at what we call the most significant digit, the digit that represents the most. In both of these numbers we have 8 thousands, but in these we only have 6. So we know that one of these must be our next smallest number. Because they both have the same number of thousands, we need to look at the hundreds. Because 6 is less than 8, 6,686 must be our next smallest. And then, because this number has 6 thousands and the others have 8, 6,866 is our next number. Now, both of these numbers have 8 thousands and both have 6 hundreds. So we keep going. Let's look at the tens. Here we have 8 tens, but here we only have 6. So because 6 is smaller than 8, 8,668 is our next smallest, which means that 8,686 is our largest number. Now pause the video again and see if you can sort these numbers from smallest to largest. You should have got 2,323 as the smallest, then 2,332, then 3,223, then 3,333, 322, and then the largest number, 4,222.